Your Rule, right? That tattoo guy everyone talks about? Yeah, I was thinking about getting a tattoo. Something cute.
Look, let me give you some advice. There's one reason to get a tattoo. Because it says something about yourself you couldn't express in any other way. It's art. It matters.
Okay, Picasso. Got a girlfriend? Sorry,
Oh
am
my
I
God.
interrupting something?
I thought you were single, you dick.
We're just a friend.
You're not wrong. He so is a dick.
This is Shaw. Shaw and Rule, they grew up together.
He doesn't even know I exist. Besides, he's got like a million girls.
I don't know why you put up with this shit. It's not like you like him or anything, right?
What kind of question is that, Aiden?
Oh my God. Oh my God, look at your face. You so like him. No, nobody knows.
No one knows, okay?
Shaw. What are you doing?
You tell me. You don't feel the same way I do. I'll stop.
How was it?
It's not gonna work out, and I know that. It's just gonna be weird and awkward.
Rule is sexy and unavailable.
I can't do the boyfriend-girlfriend thing. Can we just see what happens and not call it anything? I'm too messed up. When Remy died, I just knew I'd never be happy again.
If you saw me with another guy, would you be okay with it?
Who's this Make-A-Wish, George Clooney?
Yeah, we're kind of busy right now, pal.
Let me buy you a drink. I just can't get it off my mind.
So keep
We don't have to make any promises.